Draw the isometric view of square with a 40 mm side. Okay, see here, so take 40 mm and draw a square box. So in this question you need to draw a front view and top view of the square. Okay, so front view means vertical position, top view means horizontal position. See the procedure how to draw the isometric view of square plane. This is the plane, so please remember, so plane. Okay, yes, the square side of 40 mm. So take 40 mm side and draw the square box like this and mark a points A, B, C, D. So first one is a front view. See the procedure how to draw the front view of square plane. Okay, so draw one horizontal line and mark a point A. So that is the point A, and draw one vertical line. The dimension of this line is 40 mm. This is the A and this one is the D. AD is the constant. Okay, so please don't turn or don't change the direction of AD. After that, so take or measure 30 degrees and draw a line from horizontal line, and take 40 mm and draw a line, and take a 40 mm and draw a line with 30 degrees. Okay, with the baseline, and draw 40 mm in vertical position. Okay, so this line is parallel to AD. Okay, and join from here to here. Okay, so this is the vertical position of square plane in isometric view. So isometric view means just draw this diagram, figure 1 diagram, 30 degrees to the horizontal line like this. Okay, so this is the front view or vertical position. In front view, so AD line is the straight, and the next one is AB line is the AB is the 30 degrees to the 30 degrees with the horizontal. Okay, the arrow mark indicates the front view of the object. Okay, vertical position. So this is the procedure for vertical position. Sometimes they will give in semester examination, draw the vertical position or front view of the plane. Okay, you should write the notations, that means A, B, C, D. So don't forget about the A, B, C, D points. Next one is draw the top view, that means horizontal position. Okay, so draw one horizontal line and take point A is the reference point. Next, measure the 30 mm from left, from base 0. Okay, and right from base 0. Okay, and draw the 40 mm line at both sides of point A like this. So this is the top view of the square plane. Okay, so 30 in isometric view, just so take 30 degrees at both sides for top views. Okay, for front view, so take 30 degrees any one side of the diagram or one side of the point. Yes, this is the isometric view. Okay, so A point is the starting point. Now I am taking, now I taken A is the reference point or starting point. Okay, so you can take B point also instead of A. So next, measure the 30 degrees like this. Okay, so you need to be measure the 30 degrees. So just okay, place the drafter or scale like this and move like this and draw one horizontal line. Okay, so this line is parallel to that line. Okay, after that join from here to here. Okay, so this is the point A, this is the point C, this is the point C, this is the point D. So please remember, AB is parallel to DC, AD is parallel to BC. Okay, the dimension of this line is 40 mm. So don't forget, okay, about horizontal position. Horizontal position means top view. So take 30 degrees at both sides of point A. Okay, so this is a very important.